Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials and taking immediate action. First, power cycle the Wink hub and your router. Unplug both for 30 seconds, then restore power. While they boot, open the Wink app and verify the hub appears online and note the firmware version. Next, check your network SSID and password and count connected devices so you know bandwidth load. Once done, you have baseline info to move forward and avoid repeating simple connection errors. You now diagnose network specifics that often block Wink. Run a Wi-Fi speed and latency test next to the hub. High latency or low Mbps will cause device drops. If the hub is on 5 GHz, switch it to 2. 4 GHz because many smart devices require it. Also avoid the router's guest network. Temporarily disable VPNs, strict firewalls, or MAC filtering so the hub can register. Once these checks show normal speeds, finish by reconnecting and verifying everything works. If you recorded settings earlier, perform a hub factory reset only as needed, then re-add devices in the Wink app, confirming each responds to manual control and scheduled automations. Check hub LED codes and app connection logs for any errors. Make sure devices show as online. If problems persist, try a phone hotspot on 4 GHz to isolate router issues. One key troubleshooting tip: LED patterns plus app logs usually point to whether it's network or hub hardware.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.